Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and this is Mike Kabemba again, back again on my YouTube channel. And guys, we talk about money, we talk about services and product that helps you grow up your business. And today, I'm bringing you something again special, again awesome, again something wonderful you're going to love. Whether you are an affiliate marketer, whether you are a seller, whether online seller, whether you're doing any business online, this is so amazing. This is so powerful tool. This I call it. It's a powerful weapon for internet marketers, for affiliate marketers, and this is so very wonderful. And I call it the Worth Affiliate Program. What is Worth Affiliate Program? Worth Affiliate Program, it is a platform designed for affiliate marketers, for online marketers from all levels of where you head with your business. Whether you are a beginner, whether you are an advanced, or you are a middle, website is made for you, and it is for you. And I'm going to walk you through Worth Affiliate, and how does it work? And inside the Worth Affiliate, there's a training, there's a website. You can create a website, thousands of websites as you want. You can create millions of websites with the Worth Affiliate and run your business, distribute your products, get more traffic on your website. And except the website, there's a button for training. First of all, with the Worth Affiliate, you're going to go through a certain training. And when you get through that training, the training will show you how to work with Worth Affiliate, what are the conditions, the terms, the rules, and how it works on Worth Affiliate. And as you can see, guys, this is my account, Worth Affiliate. Mike Kabemba. I have ranked so far 240 .4K. And on Worth Affiliate, we have the ability to sell product, to sell any product, digital products online to thousands of our customers. Whether you doing blogs, or you're doing email marketing, or you're doing video marketing, or whatever you're doing, ebooks, and thousands of businesses online, you can use Worth Affiliate to distribute your product. And Worth Affiliate, inside in it, it has billions of members, thousands and thousands of members. So look, if you want to make money, or you have a product, or you have a services, or you have an ebook, something that you want to give, you want to show people how it works, something that you want to sell to people, look at how many millions of people will be surrounding you. And with the Worth Affiliate, you have the class, you have website, you have the research, you have the promote, you have the publish buttons. And I'm going to walk you through the Worth Affiliate programs. First of all, we're going to see the training. What are the training we have? We have online entrepreneur certifications. We have getting started, and level 1 and level 2, and how to making money. On this training, you're going to learn from the startup, and you're going to learn how you can own traffic, producing traffic on your website. And here you're going to learn on how to make money. And there are lessons that has been made and prepared for you. And before I go further, first of all, when you log in, you are just a new member. I'm going to leave down there a link to the descriptions below, where you can join Worth Affiliate through this link, and then from there you get you definitely enjoy, you definitely love what you're going to love. You're going to sell your product. You're going to enjoy and live the life of your dreams. And when you go inside the training, there's a buttons here for training. You press the button for training once you have opened. Well, before you opened, when you click the link, it will direct you straight to a worthy affiliate. You have to put your email address, your details, and your names. And after, you're going to get through the training. That's the first things I'm going to recommend you. You get the training, you see the courses and how it works. You will discover it by yourself. And you can see, as I'm showing you here, you can see the online entrepreneur certifications, the affiliate bootcamp, and my training activities, training HQ, classroom. These are the things that you're going to get in the training. Except in the training, with Worth Affiliate, you have the ability to create a website. As you can see on my screen, I've pressed the website. You can see there's a site manager. There's everything that you're going to learn inside the training. You are going to discover it by yourself. There's a class. So far, I think I don't have I have some classes here. The first step of creating a successful businesses. These are the training, the classes that I'm attending, and they're helping me on how to make money, on how I can promote people's product, on how I can, you can promote even your own products, your ebooks, whatever it can be, just an online, a digital product that you can sell, that you can show to people, that you wanna distribute to the world. On Worth Affiliate, you have thousands and thousands of people who will be in touch with. And at Worth Affiliate, let me tell you something. There is we have a program, we have something that I call assistance. The assistance, it's always be there for you whenever you have questions. You can see you can question, you can give your questions, you can questions whatever your need is, whatever you want to know. If you have any thing that is taking you it's difficulties that you finding along the way, we have a group. There is thousands of people. Once you post your questions, you definitely get the answer. And you can also participate in some groups so that you will learn also what is going. We have the search button, we have the promo button, we have the publish, and here it is the help. If you want to get some help on Worth Affiliate, you will definitely get the app from Worth Affiliate. And the premium coaches, you found thousands, you found people, coaches. We have here Carson, we have Kyle. They always be there online to assist you with anything you need. And you found the top helpers. The top helpers, their job is to help you. They have been doing they have been in Worth Affiliate for a couple of times, and they have the experience. So when they have the experience, any questions you have, any preoccupations you have, they will definitely come there and help you. And with Worth Affiliate, you are going to find something very amazing, something wonderful, something awesome. With Worth Affiliate, as you can see, these are my blogs, these are my publications and things that I've published, and these are the research, the class training, and the home. In the home, you will definitely see found things like this. You see, you will definitely get this here. As here you can see on my site here, these are the messages that are coming from different people across the world who are on Worth Affiliate. Some they have questions. You're going to find on the training, whatever the questions about the niche, the questions about the whatever, any niche that you're looking for, that you are interested to. and at Worth Affiliate, you are welcomed and you get help. If you've got difficulties in finding your own niche at Worth Affiliate, you will not be the same. And this is very wholesome. This is very powerful because whether you are, it's universal. It's universal. You can use it in America, you can use it in Europe, you can use it in Asia, anywhere. You can see these are the messages for people across the world. It's not only coming from America, they come from everywhere around the world. And here you can see the notifications uh, the notifications of people and the questions, and whatever you can see. You can see my ranking state and how things are rolling. You understand? So with the Worth Affiliate, you are 100% good. If you want to grow up your business, or you want to know how to make money online, and I'm going to teach you. This is the best gift I'm offering you. So join me on Worth Affiliate on the link that I'm going to leave down the descriptions below. Just press the link button and it will definitely direct you to Worth Affiliate. And when you get in Worth Affiliate, you're going to see the amazing beautiness of the internet marketing, and surely, definitely, every weekend you're going to get some new lessons coming from different people. Like even you too, if you join, you have something you want to share with people out there, you can create your I don't know how they call it, you can create your webinar. When you create your webinar, people can attend the webinar and know and discover whatever knowledge, whatever techniques you have to be showing people on how they can grow up their businesses, on how they can make money. And we with World Affiliate, when you go to website, as a startup member, you have you will have to create only 1 to 5 website. And once you create those websites, that's where you can be posting your blogs or whatever you can post just for your business to grow. So guys, I don't want to make this video so long. Please do not forget, I will definitely left the link below to show you where you can subscribe to this to the Worth Affiliate programs. It is a huge programs, guys. I'm inviting you to come and enjoy and discover what is Worth Affiliate and discover the world beyond the internet marketing system, beyond the internet marketing system. Grow up your internet business, grow up your business with Worth Affiliate, and give good services to everyone. And from there, guys, I don't want to make this video short, too long, I mean. So you can just grab the link below there. Just press the link, the link below, and definitely you're going to get the Worthy affiliate programs, and sign up and follow the instructions, go to the trainings, and you're going to discover something that is generating people's money around the world. This is nice, and this is for you guys. Thank you so much. And if this is helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Why not pressing the ring button, so every time I post a new video, you will definitely be in touch with it. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for joining me at Worthy Affiliate. See you in the next video. Thank you.